Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. In this video, we're diving into a comparison of the Euro NCAP crash test results for 3 generations of the Dacia Duster, the 2011, 2017, and 2024 models. Let's see how this popular budget SUV has evolved in terms of safety and what improvements have been made over the years. The 2011 Dacia Duster, being the first generation, had some significant shortcomings when it came to safety. In the frontal impact test, the passenger compartment stayed stable, but the rear luggage door opened, leading to penalties. Chest protection for both front passengers was rated as marginal due to chest compression readings from the dummies. While the knees and femurs were adequately protected, the dashboard on the driver's side posed a risk to passengers of different sizes or sitting positions, resulting in a marginal rating for this area as well. The side barrier test raised concerns, as the driver's door opened during the crash, leading to further penalties. Whiplash protection was also marginal, and with electronic stability control being an option, the overall safety features were not particularly impressive. Moving forward to the 2017 Dacia Duster, there was a notable improvement in the crash test results. The passenger compartment again remained stable, but the structure was now safer for the knees and femurs, despite some concerns on the driver's side of the dashboard. One of the major issues was in the full-width rigid barrier test, where head injury values for the driver indicated poor protection, resulting in the loss of all points for that body region. On the upside, in the side barrier and more severe pull tests, the Duster performed much better, providing good to adequate protection for most body regions. Whiplash protection in rear-end collisions remained marginal, showing some lingering weaknesses in this area. Overall, the 2017 model showed improvements but still had some safety gaps. Finally, let's look at the latest model, the 2024 Dacia Duster. This third-generation SUV shows significant progress, especially in side impacts, where it scored maximum points for protecting all critical body areas. The frontal offset test demonstrated good protection for the knees and femurs, with Dacia assuring protection across various occupant sizes and positions. However, the driver's chest protection was rated as weak, and the chest of the rear passenger showed only marginal protection in the full-width barrier test. A key drawback in this model was the lack of far-side impact protection, meaning there was no mitigation for head-to-head contact between front occupants, which was rated as poor. Whiplash protection, though, has improved to good, and advanced safety features like an e-call system and secondary impact prevention further enhance safety. Overall, the Dacia Duster has made considerable strides in safety, with the 2024 model offering substantial improvements over its predecessors. However, there are still areas, particularly in far-side protection, where the Duster lags behind competitors. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash tests and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.